How to stop being a business account on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for that we just have to go on our TikTok app. Here as you can see I am on my profile, and then from here you want to go to settings. So click on those three lines from the right top corner and then click on the first option, which is manage account. And then as we can see here it says account control, so you can either switch it to the personal account or you can delete your account. And we want to switch to personal account, so click on that. And they say that if you switch your account time, you will lose all your business account features. Your account will no longer show your business websites and email. You will still be responsible for any violations and received on your business account. So after that, you can click on switch anyway. And this way you will no longer have a business account. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.